Good morning. Happy Thursday. I am going to go through morning meeting with us today. And, okay, sorry, I wanted to make my screen a full screen for you. Okay, so it is Thursday, so we're going to start our morning meeting by talking about the day and finding the picture of Thursday. So we say, today is, and then this says Thursday. So we're getting towards the end of the week.
Thursday.
So we're going to say it in a full sentence.
Today is Thursday.
So today is Thursday. Okay, we're going to move on to our month. So
The month
is, and remember we talked about it yesterday, it is April, and the picture of April has the rain cloud. Can you touch your picture of April in your morning meeting folder?
The month is April.
Good job. All right, and then you don't have this in your folder, but the date is the 9th. All right, it's time to talk about the weather. It looks so pretty outside today. I'm looking out the window right now. I want you to go look outside and see what the weather looks like. All right, so the weather where Miss Ainsley is sunny. So we can say,
the weather is sunny.
Can you touch what the weather looks like where you are? All right, and then remember the temperature. We look at Miss Ainsley's phone or the computer. So right now it says the temperature is 50 degrees. 50 degrees. So 50 degrees is cool. It's still a little chilly out right now.
The temperature is cool.
And you can touch that in your morning meeting folder as well. All right, we're not going to dress a person. But I did want to show you all our daily schedule for today. So our daily schedule is, it is Thursday, April 9th, and this is morning meeting, so that's one thing you're finished with. You can take the virtual field trip. Hopefully some of you all will be getting your iPads today, so you can do the activity that goes with the virtual field trip as well. I would like you all to try to log into Boom Learning on the iPad and do some of the activities I have assigned. Also, we have a math activity today. We're still working on those shapes. And then a reading activity. We're going to read our book again. And if we have our iPads, we're going to do the comprehension to go with it. All right, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.